What if Lego were more than toys?
Children's creativity is under threat. Nowadays, internet and intelligent devices create a lot of space for children to play and think. The problem we're dealing with is how to simulate children's creativity in a Lego way. Especially, Lego already have a such rich product line on the market. In this future line competition, our proposal have two parts: education and Internet of Things. Education can make Lego go beyond what it is. Gamified learning is the best approach to make children gain knowledge while having fun. It is easy for children to lose interest in toys. What can a Lego do after you assemble in those? IoT is our answer. Treat Lego not only as a toy but also as a tool. Let Lego become a part of the home. Intelligence, practical, in a Lego way.
The research starts with knowns and unknowns hypotheses that later will become impossible interventions. Those selected interventions were one for educational purposes and the second one for IoT. In order to see how Lego can be a part of the education process, our team interviewed 5 professionals in different areas of education, as mathematics, chemistry, physics, and more. We discussed with those educators about how Lego can increase the connection between games, creativity, and education in institutions. The result from those interviews were a full set of insights about education processes, creativity, how to inspire children, how to guide them in order to create something new, how to solve a problem, etc.
So, after interviews and research about the topic, we have 3 main design scopes for the design process. First one is increase the playfulness after assembling Lego. Second one is how to let original Lego bricks generate more possibilities. And the third one is test and experiments of children play feedback system.
The design scope made the team able to sharpen the focus on the ideation process. We talk and select the best ideas, keeping in mind the market, the purpose, and the goal for this project.
We both agree with the idea of creating for home. It will be a tool or a product. We have 3 final solutions. The first one is Lego speakers. The concept is you use different Lego unions as a small speakers, and they are in charge in different area, have a different characteristic. For example, there will be speaker unions in charge of the bass. They will have speaker unions in charge of the vocal part. So once you assemble those, you can choose to add on more bricks or Lego speaker unions by your own music taste. The second idea is about Lego lamp. Like every Lego unit can illuminate itself. So the LED will integrate with every single Lego bricks. So you can connect all of the bricks into the shape you want it, and every unit can light itself. So the whole structure is a light, which means you can build a light in different shapes and functions. You can put the light on your table, and you also can put your light hanging on the screen as a screen bar. And the last one is smart assemblement. In this part, it provides a lot of educational purposes. For example, after you're assembling the Legos and you put your phone towards to the Legos, and it will provide you Lego Smart documentary.
This project has 3 specific benefits. The number 1 is that it would increase the desire on children to develop new ideas. Number 2 is that the children will be able to interact with technology and experience designing something as a product that functions at home. And the number 3 and most important is that Lego will create connections not only by playing but also by learning. Thank you very much.